Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite a person or other people to your trip on the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the trips button down below, which is the second option. After that, tap on your trip that you have added to this potential section. Click on the invite to your trip button at the top. After that, enter the email address of that person to whom you would like to send your invitation. So start with their email address. Type in the message. So the invitation should go here, and after that click on the invite button. So your invitation has been sent, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.